Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm excited to share with you some goodies I just received from Spellbinders, and this is the new Syberia design collection, and it's just adorable. So I created a couple of projects so you can see all of these goodies in action, and I think we should start off with these two products. I will clear my desk and we can look at these. You can see you have these crochet dolls. I'm probably butchering the name, sorry about that. But they are just so cute, and you have your dies to the back. And then we have this beautiful 3D embossing folder. Comes nicely packaged like this. A floral fans. So I put these two together with another product in a second. I will share that, but you can see in the background how cute this embossing folder is. And you can also see the crochet dolls here, super cute put together, so you get an idea of what you can create. And you can see they are 100% on the packaging, so that's the size they are going to be. You can see you have some more pieces. I created this like band on her, in her hair, but you can also make it with the pins. So super cute, and she has, oh sorry, the fan fell down. It should be like that. Super cute. I just love this project. You can see we have a sentiment here as well as some flowers, and I will share those with you now. So first off, we have the beautiful flower. This is the cherry blossoms. Very cute. It also comes with the dies, bloom where you are, and there is the press plates as well as the coordinating dies and the dies for the sentiment. You can also hot foil these if you like. And with this one I also created these flowers in the background here, and these ones comes from, the background comes from this one. It's called Parasol, and it's this press plate. You can also hot foil it, and there is coordinating stencils. You can see I use these. I just created this card and the sentiment. This one comes from this set, also a really cute one. I used the sentiments from this one on top of it, just cut it out of some gold cardstock. I also colored in two of the girls here, but I haven't put them on any projects yet, but I just wanted to share them. I thought they turned out super cute. So we have those ones, and then I also created one last card, so you can see this beautiful card. We have the embossing folder once more in the background. We have the hello sentiment from this set, and then we have some flowers, and that comes from the last next to the last set that I will share. This is called Blossom and Sentiments. So really cute flowers and sentiment. I used one of the sentiments for this card, so it just says for you. Super cute. And then we have, I don't have the packaging for this one, but this is the, I believe it's called fan. So it really creates this beautiful fan with a bow, and you can see I just cut this out of rainbow cardstock, so I thought that was cute. So that was pretty much the entire new release from Syberia in collaboration with Spellbinders. So I have these 3 cards to share. I will have close-ups in the end of these, and yeah, I had a ton of fun creating with all of these goodies, and I hope you are loving it as much as I am. I know that this will be super popular, so if you want to grab it, I recommend that you're doing that pretty fast. I will have links both to Spellbinders shop and to Syberia's shop, and they will be affiliate links, so whatever links you are using, I will get a small kickback from that, to no extra cost to you. I just wanted to be clear with that and also point that out. So thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will be back soon. Bye!